On YouTube, this is Ken from Ken's How To's and Reviews, and today I'm going to show you how to get the VSC traction control lights off of your dashboard and clear all those codes, your check engine light and your VSC traction control. It's a hot day out here. I've been at this for about 2 hours and I just figured it out. I've watched a couple other videos and combined it with some other advice, and I finally got it, and I was going to show you what I did. So let's get right into it. So the first thing that I did, you know, a lot of people will advise to go into the computer module inside the vehicle where you hook up the computer and finagle with it, and I did that as well. But the first thing that I did was I unhooked my battery terminal. I unhooked, I believe this is the positive side. So I unhooked my my red terminal, just took it completely off the battery for 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. You could do it for longer if you're working on other things in your vehicle, but I unhooked that and left it. The second thing that I did, go around here, is I'll show you the tools I'm using. I found this like, I don't even know what this is. It's called a safety key, but it's made of brass. So I tried to find two conductive materials. I used a piece of copper wiring that I shaved down so it would fit, and then I used this little brass fitting. And here's the computer input that I was telling you about. So I unhooked my battery, 10 minutes, hooked my battery back up. But what I did before I hooked up the battery, sorry about that, is I took this little brass key looking thing and I put it into 4 spots over. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll just put that in there like this, just like that. Oh man, when I tell you this was a doozy of a project, it was. This has been a pain in the ass, to be frank. And then the second thing I did is I went over 5 spots on the bottom. So let's see here. I did 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I did 5. I don't know, I can't see that. Okay, so I stuck this one in 5. Oh, shit. See, when I tell you this was crazy, I've seen videos that had paper clips, but I didn't have a paper clip. So this is what I had. You can see kind of the frustration. 1, 2, 3, 4. I gotta get that in there. Okay, that was the easy one. And then you do 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I put 5. And then I stuck this copper wire in here. Paper clips fit better and they can be manipulated, so that's a lot easier actually. Okay, so I got it in there like that. And then what I did is I went over and I put my keys in. And I turned it to on. This on position. Now as soon as I turn it to that on position, I went right down here and I touched this copper wire to that little brass key about 5 or 6 times. I just did like that, tap, 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 tap. And then I came back up, and to my surprise, they were no longer on. So I know that may sound hard to believe, but it definitely worked. I had to stay at it. It took me about 2 hours to figure out the right combo, but it is definitely turn your battery off 5 to 10 minutes. You're looking at port number 4 on the top, port number 5 on the bottom. Turn your keys on to the on position. Don't turn the vehicle on. Turn your keys to the on position, and then just push that copper wire onto that brass key. So they touch a couple times and it took it away. So it's hot as hell out here. So I hope that helps. I hope you can follow this and get that done yourself. But feel free to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.